So today's track, we're gonna go down the stage stairs, up the far stairs, across the gym, down the near stairs, through the hall, past the water fountain, up the stage stairs, across the gym kitty corner, down the far stairs, up the closed stairs.
Yep.
Got it. Ready?
Okay, no crashing.
Okay. Ready, go.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, I crashed. Just kidding. Oh no, I crashed!
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
There you are.
Oh, wow.
Ooh.
You saw that, huh?
Yep.
Nyum. Oh.
Where are you?
I'm stuck on the stairs. Oh, come on. Oh, which way am I going? Oh. It's
I'll go
so
when I see
hard
it
to
fly
see
by.
right now. Alright, I'm going. Go. Oh.
Did you hit the wall?
No, I haven't crashed.
Come on, get up.
I'm up.
No, you're not.
Shh.
I'm not gonna wait by these stairs. These stairs are the worst.
You're telling me. Oh, no, not back
Oh
down.
no, I'm upside down.
Yes! That was some sketchy
Whoa!
stuff. Wait, which way am I going? Kitty corner? Come on, man.
Down the far stairs. And then to
I caught
the
a rug.
right.
I caught a rug.
It's easier not to crash when you don't hit things.
I know, but I caught the rug. And the
Oh,
wall.
I hit the wall.
Stop!
And then into the kitchen.
Oh. Things are about to get sketchy. Wait.
Oh, cables.
No. And I'm out of juice.
I'm going circles in the kitchen. Oh, that's the garbage can.
Oh, check that out. Whoa! Hi, guys. This is Kyle. Kyle, say hi. What are you doing? Oh, you're under the garbage can. Come on. You can do it. Come out. Nicely done. How do you feel? Look me in the eyes. Look me in the eyes and tell me how you feel.
I'm coming. I feel like I just went dumpster diving.
You kind of look like that, too.
Ah! Come on.